happening. So, right. So like yesterday we discussed and we started off the class. Again, the same question I have like I had yesterday. And the question is, what are the things that come in the way of our performance? What are the things that hamper our performance? Other than the ones we discussed yesterday. Yesterday, am I good enough? And then from that, we went on to understanding what the journey is all about. Perfection, we talked about. We talked about how to handle grief and how to handle some of those emotions that hamper our performance. And well, I like to continue pretty much on the same format and discuss what are the other emotions or things that come in the way that hamper our performance in day-to-day life. Time management also we talked about yesterday. What else did we talk about? Can you recall? Shraddha? Ekta? I see some of the people who were there yesterday have not joined in yet. Okay, so let's talk about some new factors that you think come in the way of our day-to-day life. Just put up on the chat box. I'm waiting.
Girls, be interactive in the session.
Question is simple. What all things hamper our performance in day-to-day life? Lack of confidence. Absolutely. Jyotika, thank you. How do we gain confidence? Therefore, and all others, I want you to continue thinking because after Jyotika, ma'am, whoever is participating, we are going to give them full marks for the class participation in
Yes,
general.
sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yes, sir.
we have made that rules, and people who are not participating, I actually fail
They
them.
will not get certificate also, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So all these chats we are going to record, and if people are not interacting on chat, okay, I can understand people do not have video, and but people who are not participating on chat, then you are not present in the class for all practical purposes. It's an MBA program, so we are going to take it seriously. Yes, we talked about honesty and sincerity yesterday. Since I'm talking about this rule, I want to tell you, I want to be honest about what I am delivering in terms of empowerment to you. Why these strict rules is not to really cause any inconvenience to anybody or to show that we have power. No. Vaishnavi Shinde, can you please unmute? Yeah, put up in the chat box, please. We spoke about time management. Shraddha, thank you. How you get your dream house, what you do in your free time. Time management is life management. And mind management is life management. When you manage your mind, you manage your time also. So eventually it all boils down to mind management. I won't tell you that. But prioritizing is something we talked about yesterday. Honesty, whatever we do, I'm delivering a lecture, I'm interacting with you, I have to be honest about empowering you. That is the objective, sole objective of my spending time with you. So I have to be honest about my evaluation on whether you are getting empowerment or not. So one style I can follow, I can come here. Vaishali ma'am has said 1 hour every day. I can come here, I can blabber out things and I can go back. And I'm not worried now. I've done my job. I'm honest about what I'm doing. But is the objective getting served? Right? I have to be honest to myself that I have taken on a commitment. We talked about commitment also. If I've taken on commitment, am I being honest about delivering the commitment promise? Because every commitment brings with it a promise. So honesty is about delivering in the real life, not just coming and doing your job and going away, but coming and delivering, doing your job. And sincerity, we said, is when no one is watching. None of the faculty from SWIMS is there in the lecture. Nobody is watching who can say, sir, you are not doing this, you are not doing this, you are not doing this honestly. And no one's watching. The consciousness that God is watching, the consciousness that I am answerable to that power about delivering my commitment promise, right? That is what brings me to have these rules. And in all my lectures I take at JBIMS for last 26 years. I take at SP Jain for last now 8 years. I take at World Trade Centers around the world, not just India, internationally. We have international students coming from so many countries, wherever there is a World Trade Center. But this rule is there. You have to participate. And if you don't participate, I'll give you a project to do which will take 10 hours. Choice is yours. Why? Because if I am saying this is mind engineering lecture, if I am saying it is human engineering, then you all souls are on my workshop, on my assembly chain. And no faulty products will come out from my workshop. That is a commitment I have given to God. If there is a faulty product, it will go back for reworking. So my reputation on all campuses is this. A faulty product meaning I'll see you next year. Because that's what is the justice I do the brand SWIMS. We are creating a brand here. People have to, when you go out from campus, you are carrying the flag of Dada Vaswani. And that flag has a lot of respect. We cannot have you behave just like other people from different campuses. Your presence have to be felt on the first day on job. Yes, this person is different. And that's the promise commitment brings. And that's why these rules. So if you're not participating on chat, you are not present in the class for all practical purposes. And I'll request the management to treat it the way as per the rules. And these are Because going forward, degrees have stopped mattering. In fact, I want to tell you why going forward. I passed out in 1983. My degree was asked for by the first job. After that, I changed jobs after jobs after job. 3 jobs I changed. And yes, it was just put up that the all that they asked for was mark sheet. And then it was forgotten. It was nobody even checked whether that was a genuine or not. Most of the time, a lot of people they don't even check. That's why a lot of malpractices also happen. Therefore, please bring this honesty, sincerity, commitment, right, to the class first. That's where the life will begin. That's where the mind engineering will. You don't become a faulty product which will have to be reworked. Right now, coming to the confidence which Jyotika ji has brought in the class. So, how do we? And I am still waiting for other chat. Please bring in your thoughts on what all comes in the way of our everyday performance. And when you write, I'm not taking it, it is your issue, it is everyone's issue. When yesterday someone wrote, am I good enough? I said, even I at this age feel, am I good enough? Whenever I take up a new project, am I good enough is something that is going to continue lifelong. So whatever you are writing in the chat box is not going to be considered as your issue, please. So let that not become a hesitation. These are everyone's issues. So please open up. No, parachute is powerful only when it is open. Open your minds. Let the mind flex its muscles. If we are planning to make your mind strong, mind pretty much works like the muscle of any other body part. The more you work, the stronger it gets. So if you're going to sit in an inert mode anywhere, even the corporate world, just be prepared to just get a clerk kind of a job. You may be an MBA, but you won't be drawing salary more than 25,000-30,000 a month. MBAs who want to draw salaries in crores, and you all know that. And I want to tell you that never have this feeling that maybe I am Ahmedabad and all that. I have seen MBAs and some of them work for me also, who have come from unknown colleges in Simla. Board of directors, because I can't find someone like that. It is what you become. And this is an opportunity. Okay. So, how do we handle lack of confidence? How do we handle lack of confidence? We all feel it.
By increasing knowledge, sir.
By increasing knowledge, absolutely. But more important is, okay, let me explain it from a story. Okay, I design a 1 feet by 100 feet wooden plank. You understand wooden plank? लकड़ी का एक स्लीपर जैसा होता है ना. क्या डायमेंशन है? 100 feet लॉन्ग और 1 feet वाइड, और उसको मैं ग्राउंड पे रख देता हूं और मैं आपको बोलता हूं कि अब आप एक किनारे से दूसरे किनारे तक चलो. Most of you will be able to walk, है ना. अब यही प्लैंक को मैं 2 बिल्डिंग के बीच में रख देता हूं. And buildings are 20 feet, 20 stories tall. कितना? 20 story. और उन दोनों को जोड़ता हूं उस प्लैंक से, और दोनों तरफ प्लैंक को मैं स्ट्रेंथन कर देता हूं, हिलेगा नहीं। और अब मैं आपको बोलता हूं, तुमने जब ये प्लैंक जमीन पे था तो चल लिए थे, अब चलो। मोस्ट ऑफ अस विल नॉट बी एबल टू वॉक। वही प्लैंक है, वही डायमेंशन है, और पहली केस में वो जमीन पे पड़ा था, दूसरे केस में 20th फ्लोर पे पड़ा है। ऊपर से नीचे देखते दिल घबराता है। क्या बदला? उतने विड्थ पे तो आप चल लिए थे, ग्राउंड पे था तो क्या बदला?
Position.
क्या बदला? पोजीशन। और उस पोजीशन से क्या हो रहा है? फलक, Palak was participating very aggressively last. She really contributed, and I'm looking for other names also. Palak, क्या बदला? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
क्या बदला? मैंने जो बोला, आप देर से आए, आपने पूरा सुना ना?
नहीं सर, आधा सुना।
ओके। मैंने कहा 1 फीट बाय 100 फीट लंबा वुडन प्लैंक है, उसको जमीन पे रखा था। आपको बोला गया कि आप एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पे पूरे प्लैंक पे चल के दिखाओ, तो हम सब ने चल लिया। अब इसी प्लैंक को 20 माला वाली बिल्डिंग के ऊपर रख दिया, 2 बिल्डिंग पास पास में थी, जोड़ दिया उनको, दोनों तरफ प्लैंक को हमने बांध दिया। और अब बोला वही लकड़ी का टुकड़ा है जिसके ऊपर आप चले थे जब वो जमीन पे था, अब चल के दिखाओ। So what do you feel?
Fear.
Lack of confidence, right?
Yes.
तो बदला क्या? चलना भी
परसेप्शन बदला कि पहले नीचे था, अब ऊपर है, ऊपर से गिर जाएंगे, नीचे से थोड़ी गिरेंगे।
परसेप्शन इज व्हाट यू परसीव। यहाँ रियलिटी बदल गई। क्या बदल गया? क्या बदल गया?
रियलिटी।
योर रिस्क। कॉन्फिडेंस क्यों चाहिए, पहला ये समझना जरूरी है। कोई भी चीज अगर हमारे को चाहिए और हम जब उसको प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं ना, तो फर्स्ट आंसर व्हाई। व्हाई डू यू वांट कॉन्फिडेंस फॉर एनीथिंग? Most of the times in life it is the same situation. Your risks are high. इसके लिए कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए। अब ऐसे लोग हैं इस दुनिया में जो ये 20 फ्लोर पे अगर प्लैंक रखा हो तो एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ चले जाएंगे कि नहीं? ऐसे लोग हैं ना पलक?
यस सर।
ऐसे लोग हैं।
यस सर।
अब अगर एक आदमी कर सकता है तो बाकी भी कर सकते हैं। दैट इज द कार्डिनल स्पिरिचुअल प्रिंसिपल। If one human being can do it, others can do it also. All that it needs is practice. So like Vaishali ma'am said, knowledge. Knowledge is the beginning point. हमारे शास्त्रों में, our scriptures have Gyan Yogi. Gyan Yogis are people who have the Gyan. They have the knowledge. फिर है कर्मयोगी. Karmyogis are the picture who people who practice that knowledge. और कॉन्फिडेंस लाने के लिए आपको ज्ञान योगी नहीं, आपको क्या बनना पड़ेगा? क्या बनना पड़ेगा? एनीवन? एनीवन? श्रद्धा? Shraddha, are you there?
Yes, I am. I don't know. Gyani, I do not understand the things. So.
ज्ञान योगी आर पीपल जिनको ज्ञान है,
हाँ जी.
जो हमेशा ज्ञान के लिए तड़पते हैं, ज्ञान के पीछे भागते हैं, कुछ भी जो भी ज्ञान प्राप्त करना है उसके लिए पढ़ते हैं और ज्ञान को हासिल करते हैं. कर्मयोगी वो है जो काम करते हैं, उस ज्ञान को एप्लीकेशन, नॉलेज है, एक नॉलेज का एप्लीकेशन है. कर्मयोगी एप्लीकेशन वाले लोग होते हैं. और आपको अगर अच्छा सक्सेस चाहिए, अच्छी सक्सेस चाहिए, तो आपको ये सब योगी बनना पड़ता है. सिर्फ ज्ञान योगी बनने से काम नहीं चलता है. आपको ज्ञान योगी बनना पड़ता है, भक्त योगी बनना पड़ता है, कर्म योगी बनना पड़ता है. तो भक्त योगी वो हैं जो डिवोशन, भक्ति, जो नॉलेज उन्होंने ले ली, अब उसके पीछे मतलब वो टस से मस हो जाए, वो उसी को मानेंगे, उसी को अप्लाई करेंगे. सो कॉन्फिडेंस एक ऐसी चीज है विच कम्स विद एप्लीकेशन ऑफ नॉलेज, नॉट जस्ट नॉलेज. इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बीइंग अ ज्ञान योगी and being a karma yogi together. What looks perfect is a result of years of practice. तो अपना, that you remember that one person playing that music, huh? Or that orchestra, so perfectly executed. It is a result of practice, 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 and practice. So, after practice, you get the confidence. हाँ Jyotika? Do you recall when you were a child? I'm sure you don't even recall. When you started walking, and your mother would recall, but you have seen children, first time when they even stand, their body is shaking, right? They fall. They are consciously putting an effort not to fall. Those of you who learned swimming, those of you who learned bicycling, recall your days when you were learning. So first phase is when you are conscious about doing it perfectly. But as you practice, you become subconsciously competent, right? अब रात को उठते हो, do you even have realization that you will not fall when you are walking? सिर्फ उतना ही कि अंधेरा है, देख के चलो. बट आपको अभी भागने को बोलो तो तुरंत भागना शुरू करोगे. जब बच्चे थे तब ऐसा नहीं था. Now, what has happened over the years is just practice. तो आपको किसी भी चीज के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए. Public speaking is one skill that I am telling you, you all must have to become corporate leaders. And most students, I find, they lack confidence in speaking. One of the reasons when I'm asking you to interact, one of the reasons is that एक hesitation है. हो सकता है कॉन्फिडेंस भी ना हो, और कॉन्फिडेंस इसके लिए नहीं है क्योंकि आपने कभी अपने आप को फोर्स नहीं किया है. स्विमिंग ऐसे ही नहीं आ जाती है. यू टू फोर्स टू गो टू द डीप. बाइसिकल ऐसे ही नहीं आ जाती है. यू हैव टू फोर्स योरसेल्फ. सो कॉन्फिडेंस क्यों चाहिए? बिकॉज risks are high, stakes are high. If you are not good at something, then your stakes are high. What you may lose is a fear. Therefore, confidence is a must. But how it will come is by first having knowledge of doing that thing right. And then the application of that knowledge to do the things right. Right? So first you will be consciously competent. That is the first stage. You are consciously competent. It's much about like you want to sing. I don't know. Any singers here? When you're practicing a song, you know where you are going wrong. You're being consciously competent. And then you reach a stage over the years by practice, and practice, where you bring in your own innovations in the singing style, which is what Lata Mangeshkar, Kishore Kumar, Mohammed Rafi, these great singers brought in. We don't have those singers. But they had the classical, some were naturally gifted. But with years of practice, they used to bring their own modulations, their own innovations. So that is the reality of life about anything that you want to feel confident about. Public speaking is something which I'm very, very conscious that all students who are aspiring to become corporate leaders, they must have, because unless you speak up, unless you have confidence to speak up, you will not rise in the organization. तो एक तो spirituality एक और चीज करती है आपके साथ. When you are practicing all the right ethics and values in life, one thing that you get blessing for is fearlessness. You're not afraid. Why? Because that's the inner strength you get. You can always agree to disagree gracefully. You have to learn the art of communicating what you want. But that's about it. So, how do you get confidence regarding public speaking? Is only by speaking. So when I'm asking you to please interact in the class, I'm not evaluating you. No one in the class should evaluate anybody how he is speaking. मैंने तो कहा मराठी में बात करना, मराठी में बात करो. But दिल की बात मुंह पे लाने के लिए एक हिम्मत चाहिए. सबसे पहले हिम्मत जुटानी पड़ती है कॉन्फिडेंस लाने से पहले. You need courage. This is true of anything. So how to get confidence? Have the knowledge. Apply the knowledge right way. And have the courage to go out of your comfort zone. And then as Nike says, the brand Nike, just do it. And like yesterday we said, do your best, then surrender. Surrender to the Almighty. Accept all the results that are coming in, no problem. And whatever be the results, evaluate yourself. Next time, do better. Don't punish yourself because there is a gap in your expectation and reality. So, I hope I have given you the technology of confidence. Now, any specific things that you want confidence about, we can discuss that, Jyotika. I just took example of public speaking. And remember, not everything you will be good at. That's okay. In my first lecture, I said that there's a purpose for which your soul is visiting this planet. And you have to discover that purpose. And second thing I said is there is something that you are best designed by the divine. There's no one like you. And that's the self-discovery, which you'll be able to do when you're spending time with yourself. When you're having dialogue with yourself. I said 10 minutes a day. Find that time to have dialogue with yourself. Close your eyes, meditate, have a dialogue with yourself. Find what you are best at. And then in that area, you will blossom. The biggest difficulty is how to discover that area. Once you discover that area, then is knowledge, then is practice, then is courage, then is application, and then is practice, 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 and practice, and then you get confidence, period. Okay? So that's it. Let's see. Any more thoughts, Jyotika? I hope I have answered how to get confidence.
Yes, sir.
Lack of motivation. Runali. Is my problem also. Don't think that this
So
is
I think it is an issue for most of, I think all of us.
not just you, beta. It's the issue for this whole world. Zig Ziglar, those of you who are in marketing will know him. He said, you need a daily dose of motivation. Because motivation doesn't last. Just the way bathing doesn't last. You all love your mobiles? Brunali, let's have a dialogue. We all love our mobiles, huh?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes.
और मोबाइल में जब वो बैटरी की बिल्कुल वो रेड आ जाता है तो दिल धक धक करने लगते हैं ना, तो क्या करते हैं हम? Immediately find where, even if you're not at home, चार्जर घर पे रह गया तो गाड़ी में हार्ट अटैक आना शुरू हो जाता है. मेरा मोबाइल का चार्जर रह गया, है ना?
Yes, sir.
राइट. तो यू टर्न लगाते हैं, हम घर पे जाते हैं और वो चार्जर को ढूंढ के लाते हैं. अरे बाप रे, लेट हो गए, कोई बात नहीं, पर चार्जर चाहिए. That is the commitment and motivation we bring for our mobile phone. Huh? लाते कि नहीं लाते? अब मैं आपको बोलूं कि हमारी बॉडी भी एक बैटरी चलती है अंदर, और ये मोटिवेशन के लिए वो बैटरी को चार्ज करना पड़ता है. बट डू वी शो द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ पैशन टू चार्ज आवर बॉडी?
No, sir.
Why not? Why not? Why don't we start our day? It's very easy these days. As I said, just start with meditation. By the way, how many of you, yesterday I gave you a technique to go to the alpha level of mind. What was the technique? Deep breathing, reverse counting, eye fatigue. First is eye fatigue. Third was reverse counting, going into the lower layers of your mind. किसी एक ने किया क्लास में या सबने किया?
Yes, sir.
मृणाली आपने किया कि श्रद्धा ने किया? Who said yes?
So I said yes. Shraddha said yes.
Shraddha, did you succeed in calming your mind first of all? कब किया? रात को किया सोने से पहले?
So after your session.
After my session, okay.
Yeah, because it was in my mind, right? Like you, whatever you had said. So I just tried it because I usually don't do it. So that time when you spoke about it, I was like, okay, let's do it right now because it's in my mind. Otherwise, I'll forget again. So
I'll do it in the class once.
yes.
We'll all do it together. But that time when I know that everyone is there, and how did you feel, Shraddha, after that?
So very relaxed.
Very relaxed.
Yes.
आपको मालूम है ना, समंदर में बहुत एनर्जी है. सुनामी आ जाए तो तहस नहस हो जाता है. Your mind will have powers only when it is calm. That is the Guru Mantra. A turbulent mind will not have powers.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, Vijay.
So when we meditate, there are so many thoughts coming in our mind. So how to stop that thoughts?
Don't stop. The biggest mistake is when we're trying to stop them. Don't stop. This happens in the first phase of meditation, and it's absolutely normal. When thoughts are coming, let them come. आपके ओवरहेड वाटर टैंक है ना, तो जब आप नल खोलते हैं तो आप कितना भी रोको वो पानी आएगा. जब तक वो खाली नहीं हो जाएगा ना, तब तक वो आता रहेगा. तो हमारा काम क्या है? एक्सेप्ट. लेट द थॉट्स कम, लेट द थॉट्स कम, इसमें काफी टाइम जाता है एक्चुअली, पर हमारे को थोड़ा पेशेंटली हैंडल करना होता है ये फेज. डोंट ट्राई टू बी इन अ हरी टू काम योर माइंड. नो, जितनी उथल पुथल दिमाग में ज्यादा है उतना ज्यादा ये फेज लंबा लास्ट करेगा. One technique you can do is you can talk to these thoughts in your subconscious mind. Actually, what we talked, the technique I gave, which Shraddha is talking about, and congratulations, Shraddha, you practiced it, because that's the first step of mind empowerment. And we did talk about intention in one of my lectures, and I gave you the example of that my lecturer who taught me the power of intention when I was on campus at JBIMS through that episode which I shared with you. तो कल मैंने इस टेक्निक तो पूरी क्लास को दी, पर एक ने करी या शायद 2 या 3 ने करी हो टाइम पर, श्योर सबने नहीं करी. Now everybody wants to succeed in corporate world, but do they have the intention? सच्ची इंटेंशन अभी तक सिर्फ श्रद्धा ने शेयर करी कि उसने किया.
Sir, actually, before some days, before few weeks, even I tried to do meditation, listening to my parents. But same thing as Vaishali ma'am spoke about, like thoughts was so. There were so many thoughts in my mind. I couldn't concentrate, and I wouldn't be calm. I couldn't find myself being calm. So I stopped doing that.
So I
don't
think
stop.
it's a very valid, question or something, because when people say that they meditated and they were very calm and relaxed and they couldn't think of anything and all of that. So I used to be like, how does that happen? Because there are so many thoughts running in your mind. So for me, it's like when I opened my eyes after the meditation, like yesterday, I actually felt very calm and relaxed, but the thoughts were still running. I couldn't like stop them. So I think it's a very valid question, and I don't know how do people actually do that.
यही टेक्निक श्रद्धा जो आपने कल हमने सीखी और कल आपने अप्लाई करी ना, when we are doing deep breathing, it kick starts the calming of the mind. ये thoughts के ऊपर काम करता है. फिर जब आप eye fatigue मैंने बोला, at 30 degrees you fix a point in the wall और आंख खुले रख के, वैशाली मैम, this is what we discussed yesterday, you keep looking at that point without blinking.
Okay, sir.
Without blinking. Bring the eye fatigue till the time they are so tired that you feel like closing them. And then close them. Continue with deep breathing, and then when you close, then we said you do reverse counting. Imagine that you are sitting in the lift and mind is like a building. And you start descending in that lift from 20th floor. So you start reverse counting. 20, 19, 18, 17. Do this reverse counting in the mind. You want to try it right now? Everyone?
Yes. So one more thing. So what I do. So even while like at night while sleeping, in case there are like too many thoughts running in, sometimes while meditation you can either like focus on your breathing, like focus on how you're breathing, and otherwise if thoughts are coming in, I think of like more of positive thoughts, or something like ki, nothing about work or stress or anything like that. Something positive, कैसा हुआ तो या फिर ऐसा होना चाहिए, these chances are there, whatever. Something positive.
See, don't force yourself to think something specific, Shraddha. The technology is accept what is coming, open your heart, accept what's coming. You remember that image of mind that we created, conscious mind and subconscious mind. Should I show you that image again? Since we are talking of, 1 second, I think I have to open that. This is a technology, and I'm very happy the way we are discussing. You remember, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So what we discussed is, this is your mind. Your mind is like an iceberg. You can see my mouse, right? This is circulating. This is your full mind. But what is above the water level is the conscious mind. And what is below the water level is your subconscious mind. And as you can see, your subconscious mind is 90%, but it remains below water. Now, if we harness the power of this subconscious mind, which is 90% below the water, if we harness its powers, then we become a different human being from those who are next to us. Now, what does meditation do? And Shraddha, आप जो कह रहे हो ना कि I'll ask my mind to think positive thoughts. ये जो है, आपकी thoughts कब खत्म होंगी पता है? जब आप यहाँ पे पहुंच जाओगे mind में, in the subconscious, deep subconscious. यहाँ पे जब आप आओगे, तब आपकी थॉट्स खत्म होंगी आना, बीच में इक्का दुक्का होगी। पहले क्या होगा, frequency of that thoughts will reduce. When the frequency of those thoughts reduce, that means you are going below water. और जितना जितना आप नीचे जाओगे उतना उतना frequency कम होती जाएगी, हाँ? And then a stage will come where you'll start enjoying that state. You'll start enjoying. You will feel that you are maybe on the border of being conscious and sleep. You are aware, but you are enjoying it. You are enjoying your unawareness. And that is the alpha level of mind. This is the regular conscious level, बीटा लेवल बोलते हैं इसको। इसमें क्या है, when you are telling your mind not to send you thoughts, so you are struggling at this level only. Whenever you are ordering anything, क्योंकि वो conscious है, जब आप कहते हो नहीं मेरे को positive thoughts आना है, तो then you are still struggling in this area. The technology is how to go deeper. I hope you are able to see the movement of my mouse.
Yes, sir.
So the exercise that I gave you, Shraddha, which you practiced after the lecture yesterday, that takes you here. And once you are here, and the amount of time you spend here, उसके बाद कुछ और चीजें भी करते हैं. Okay, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16 करने के बाद, once you go to the deeper level of your mind, then you imagine yourself in a beautiful natural space which you have visited. यहाँ आने के बाद, you subconsciously put yourself in that beautiful serene place which you have actually visited, and then recreate that feeling. Recreate the feelings that you had, those feelings when you visited that place. Most of us have visited some natural spot where there was a river maybe, or mountains, or both, or just a jungle, or something that really attracted our soul, and you had a soulful experience in that nature. If you are lucky to have that experience, go and create that experience once you are deeper. जब आपका 20, 19, 18, 17, 16 करके आप यहाँ पे आ जाओगे ना, immediately switch your surrounding to the natural spot which your soul enjoyed, and recreate the feelings. Recreate meaning feel the sounds that you experienced in the environment, the chirping of birds, the breeze, the leaves cracking, the sound of water, everything, every minute detail you recreate at alpha level of mind. I call this alpha level, the subconscious. This is the alpha level. And when you recreate and then create that surrounding, that ambience, and just enjoy. Just enjoy. With practice, when you're doing it again and again, remember when you were in that ambience, there were no thoughts coming to your mind. No thoughts. You were just enjoying it. And when you do this meditation, if you want to call it, you go to the alpha level and you recreate that. Just enjoy it. Now, one more technology I'll give you. Any challenging project which you want answers to, which you want to do, you want to study, just do this exercise, this meditative exercise before you start studying. Your mind is powerful when you are working at this level, not at this level. most of the students, and I can tell you 100% of you, when you are studying at this level. आज एक काम करना, do this practice, go to the alpha level of your mind, and make sure that you are alone in the room and no distractions. And do whatever assignments you want to do here, whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to memorize, you do it here at this level. And I can guarantee you that if you were working at this level, which you are today, and it took you 2 hours to finish that assignment or memorize something, at this level, you'll take 1/4 time. And it will stay with you. You will not forget. That's what makes human beings different from each other. Only this 1.5 inch. And this 1.5 inch we don't do anything about. We'll charge our mobile phones, but we won't charge our body. So that motivation thing I'm coming back to. I'm going to stop this sharing right now. Because these techniques we are going to learn in the class. I'm going to keep a class only on this meditative. This is Silva method actually. Where, and I am a Silva graduate, so I can talk about it. I'm qualified to share this information with you all. But सब लोग बोलते हैं ना, हम फोकस करो, डिटर्मिनेशन लाओ, डिसिप्लिन लाओ. अभी लाओ कैसे, किसी ने नहीं बताया था मेरे को, आपको भी नहीं बताया है. सिर्फ लाओ लाओ में हमारा फ्रस्ट्रेशन ही बढ़ता है. पर अगर ये टेक्निक को मैं तुम्हारे को दे रहा हूँ और इसको अगर आप यूज करोगे तो कुछ भी लाना जो है इतना एफर्टलेस हो जाएगा आपके लिए. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, those of you who want to speak, I said Hrithik Roshan was stammering. Today you see he's not. He speaks confidently. How? Program your mind at the subconscious level. Go to the alpha level of your mind. Once you are at the alpha level, once you are in those beautiful surroundings, वो फाइल साथ में लेके जाओ. That is your project. What is the file saying? मेरे को, I want to become a good public speaker. I want to speak English fluently. I am giving you student problems. Go to the alpha level with that file. File is what? I want to speak fluent English. आप वहां पे जाके अपनी फाइल खोलो. And now visualize yourself speaking fluently. Whoever is your role model, like him at that level. And program your subconscious once early morning and once before sleeping. Do it for a month and tell me anything you can take, any project you can take. I can give you a guarantee in writing that you will start making improvements in anything that you want to do. लोगों को अंधेरे से डर लगता है. So how do you overcome the fear? Same technology. Go to the subconscious mind, program there. I was talking about affirmations yesterday only. Affirmations you give not in the conscious state. Go to the subconscious state and then give affirmations. And don't give affirmations that I want to be better in public speaking. No, that's wrong affirmation. You already are good at that. So your affirmation is, I am excellent at public speaking. I'm excellent at public speaking. And you do that programming of subconscious mind at alpha level of mind, which I say with technology I gave you yesterday. We haven't practiced it together. We will do that. But That's how. Start programming. I'm a motivated person. I am always motivated. I'm always motivated. Do that affirmation at alpha level and you'll see the difference. But for motivation, what I do, I can share with you. Like I said, you are like a mobile phone. Discharge hote hain. Whenever we are spending our energies on doing daily chores, we are spending our energy. So motivation also, like the battery, keeps reducing. That is why some habits I told you are very, very critical. And this habit that early morning, what do we do? What do we do? When we wake up, what do? We start our turbulence in the conscious mind immediately. सबसे पहले तो हम फोन उठाया, व्हाट्सएप चेक किया, उसने क्या किया, किसकी लाइफ में फेसबुक चेक किया, क्या करना शुरू कर दिया हमने. इस लेवल में टर्बुलेंस जो आउटर वर्ल्ड का था वो सारा इस वर्ल्ड में लाना शुरू कर दिया. और वो जो टर्बुलेंस है, मैंने आपको क्या बोला, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड हैज नो पावर टू रिजेक्ट. This is your logical mind. It has power to accept and it has power to reject. तो आपने कुछ गलत देखा सुबह सुबह व्हाट्सएप पे, कई चीजें आती हैं, नेगेटिव न्यूज भी आती हैं जो कि काफी डिस्टर्बिंग होती हैं माइंड के लिए. तो आपने उसको देखा यहाँ पे, अब इसने रिजेक्ट किया, पर इसने तो एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. दिस इज अ स्पॉन्ज. तो तुम जो भी फीड कर रहे हो दिमाग, तुम्हारे सेंसरी ऑर्गन से जो भी फीड कर रहे हो, ये रिजेक्ट कर रहा है, लेकिन ये रिजेक्ट करने की पावर ही नहीं है बेचारे को. तो ये सारा जो भी नेगेटिव तुम्हारे सराउंडिंग्स और एम्बियंस और तुम्हारे लोग जो भी हैं, ये सारा यहाँ पे गंदगी कचरा भरता जा रहा है. और वो कचरा जो है तुम्हारा इस सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को एम्पावर करने में दिक्कत करता है. अभी क्यों थॉट्स आते रहते हैं हमारे को? क्योंकि वो सारा कचरा यहाँ भरा है. जब ये खाली होगा, और ये खाली होगा, खाली कैसे होगा? जब वैसे ही खाली होगा कि लेट थॉट्स कम. यू हैव टू बी हियर, let the thoughts come. Talk to those thoughts at subconscious level. Tell them, I respect you right now. Please go away. Vaishali ma'am, please go away. Talk to the thoughts.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Talk to the thoughts.
Understood.
Tell them to go away. But don't tell them here. Make sure you are here. And then go back to concentrating on your maybe surroundings that you are enjoying. That beautiful place that you have recreated here. Go back to that and start feeling all the natural energies and the universal powers and birds chirping and leaves cracking and the water of sound and the water and sound of breeze and the feeling that breeze was giving, recreate that. And you'll see the thoughts frequency will start reducing. But don't think it's going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen overnight. Then there is a time of meditation also. And the best time of meditation is around 3:34. Meditation करके सोना, सो जाना. But and some people, when they start these meditative practices, it automatically starts happening. And if that's happening with you, that's a divine signal that you need to work on that area and you will become powerful. I said no, power of intuition. Power of intuition कब आता है पता है? when your this part of the mind is very strong. Now I'll tell you about the corporate life and the power of subconscious mind from my example. एक real life story दूं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is to motivate you to work on mind empowerment. Okay, I had started my business, I think the year was 1998. And those of you who have been part of international marketing, even finance, and you know that in the corporate world, transactions happen on credit basis also, right? So you supply today and you get paid after 30 days or 45 days or 60 days. And that's called credit period. हिंदी में उसको उधारी कहते हैं. So Brazil, in fact, even today, it's not easy to make business on cash basis or letter of credit. We still do business on credit. Material chala jata hai, they use it. In fact, there are customers who pay us 6 months after the goods have been shipped from India. 6 months. 31st December को अगर मैंने ship किया है, I'll get paid on 30th June. There was a very big customer in 1988 for our chemicals. And this customer was also in diamonds business, chemicals and diamonds. I think I can tell you his name also. He went, let me not talk about names. But he was a sought after buyer. Whoever was in our business of chemicals was really very eager to do business with him because he was buying regularly, he was paying regularly, and for years. He was like 54, so he was doing business with India for at least 20 years. And everybody knew him. And everybody, जैसे Makkah, Medina, everybody knew. Tirupati, this guy is the temple of, इसको पकड़ो और अपना business शुरू हो जाएगा. So just to start business with him, of course, those days we used to have only faxes, right? तो हम फैक्सेस भेजते थे, जवाब नहीं आता था, फोन किया, फिर थोड़ा जवाब आना शुरू हुआ, काम शुरू नहीं हुआ, 1 साल बीत गया. फिर I told one of my CEOs, I said, ब्राजील जाना पड़ेगा, इसको मिलके आना पड़ेगा. Because what do you do? How do you start business? You have to make a differentiation from other competitors. How many people can go to Brazil? उन दिनों में एक टिकट 1.25 लाख का होता था, इकोनॉमी क्लास. 2 लोगों का आना जाना 2.5 लाख का टिकट, रहना another 2.5 लाख, 5 लाख का बजट. But this guy was giving so much business that we said इसको मिलना जरूरी है. Took a flight to London, 10.5 hours flight. London से connecting flight Sao Paulo was another 12.5, 13 hours. I can tell you, of course, there was a layover for about 4-5 hours, so which gave us the energy to again fly. But from London to Sao Paulo, I was so frustrated in that plane. और प्लेन खाली था, वो 4 सीट होती है, चारों को जोड़ के मैं लेट के सो के गया मजे से. इकोनॉमी क्लास ट्रेवल हुआ करता था उन दिनों. तो when I landed in Sao Paulo, I was waiting to come out in the open. So frustrated because I'm feeling flabbergasted. बाहर आया, first had a coffee, ऐसा लगा कि वाकई जिंदा हूँ. Anyway, फिर इसके साथ मिलने चले गए. We saw his warehouse, इतना बड़ा warehouse full of cargo. हमारे सारे कॉम्पिटिटर्स के कार्गो पड़े थे वहां. हमने जाके प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, कंपनी लाइक एनी अदर person would do. He, along with his brother, they sat down, saw they took prices. हमने prices दिए, हमारे company brochures दिए. He ended up liking us. He took us to dinner. Dinner किया. बहुत अच्छा relationship, friendship पैदा हुई. फिर दूसरे दिन भी हम वहाँ थे. फिर he developed liking for me. So बातें हुई. फिर वो घर पे बुलाया उसने हमको. हम उसके घर गए. उसका घर जो था, it was like Swarovski Museum. Huge. And every nook and corner. He had an American wife because he was in diamond business. Absolute abundance. Magnificence. Glamour. Anyone would go into that ambience and say, my God, I would love to have a house like that. Anyway, dinner वगैरह किया, हम वापस आए. Business अभी भी शुरू नहीं हुआ. 6 months later, he came to Mumbai and he always used to book a suite in Taj Mahal Hotel, which is next to Gateway of India. Me and my CEO and my other team now, 5 of us, we went to him and again gave our prices. He had given us a fax कि मेरे को ये सारी quantity चाहिए, मेरे को price दो. तो हमने उसको दिया. अब he chose the products, etc. and he made an order. He said, okay, Mr. Sehgal, now finally our friendship is getting converted into business. उसने हमारे को 2 परचेज ऑर्डर दिए. उन दिनों ब्राजील में 180 डेज पेमेंट का गवर्नमेंट का, ब्राजीलियन गवर्नमेंट का वो था रूल. We had to, and everybody was doing business with him on 180 days credit terms. And I still remember both the orders put together were about $128,000 plus. And we were very happy. My entire team was so happy. हमारा ब्राजील जाना जो है सक्सेसफुल हुआ. और उसने बोला कल तुम मेरे को प्रोफॉर्मा इनवॉइस भेज दो and tell me what's the time of delivery and we will start. वापस हमने डिनर दिया. इस बार बड़ी पार्टी हुई. 40-50 हजार का हमने भी खर्चा कर दिया. Now comes the climax. That night, when I was sleeping, early morning I get a dream. Early morning. I saw this guy as a beggar. फटे हुए कपड़े, बाल बड़े हुए, dirty looks. And I got up. I shook myself out of the bed कि ये क्या, क्योंकि $128,000 का मैं credit after working so hard. ये मेरे real life की story है. मैं तुम्हारे को number देता हूँ. मेरा अभी CEO, if you call him right now, he will tell you. So I got very disturbed. I went to office early. I was waiting for my team to come. And my team came and सबको बुलाया. And I said, look, I'm not feeling comfortable giving this guy credit somehow. And my entire team was speechless कि सर को क्या हो गया. मैंने कहा, I don't know, but I don't feel comfortable and I am very happy. Order आ गया, सब कुछ आ गया. He's a good friend also now, but I do not want to take this risk in the current circumstances. And my CEO got mad actually. He said, sir, इतना अपन ने hard work किया, हम जाके आए, ये किया, वो किया, इतना सब. And now we have the order and you don't want to accept. And yesterday you accepted, तो भी निकलेंगे कैसे बाहर? मैंने कहा मैं उसको बोल दूंगा फैक्ट्री कुछ भी बोल दूंगा, but I am not going to execute this. इस आदमी को credit अभी नहीं देना चाह रहा हूँ मैं. Anyway, they couldn't argue. They say, no, boss is right. All got depressed actually. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं. I called up this guy. I said, look, I'm very sorry, but I've checked on the deliveries. You want delivery on such and such day, but my factory is not having enough room. So we cannot deliver right now. So I'm very unhappy in saying no, but at the moment, I cannot meet your deadline for delivery. But I promise you, we will do business soon. And I still remember his words. So, Mr. Sehgal, you think we are only going to have platonic relationship? We will never become husband-wife. I said, no, that's not true. But for the moment, because I would like to deliver my promise. And I don't think I am in the position to deliver my delivery promise. That's why I want you a lifelong customer. So I'm sorry, but then no problem. Fine, nice. Hanky dory, अच्छी बात हुई. Phone नीचे रखा. Took a deep sigh of relief because one thing I have never do in life is lose my night sleep. कम पैसा कमा लेंगे, लेकिन टेंशन नहीं पालेंगे बिना बात का. कभी एक थॉट आ गई थी दिमाग में, टेंशन हो गया था, स्ट्रेस हो गया था, नहीं करना तो नहीं करना, नहीं किया. Can you guess what happened? Anyone, can you guess what happened?
He was literally the beggar.
He became the beggar. 3 months later, Chemexil, which is the Association of Chemical Producers, sent out a circular that such and such company from Brazil has filed for bankruptcy. And Mr. So and Mr. So and so, both the brothers, are untraceable. The total amount of money they owe to Indian suppliers, which has come to our records at that time, 1998, was 36 crores. And we are trying to locate Mr. So and Mr. So and so. But for now, we notify all the exporters not to give any further credit. And if they have any shipments, please stop them. 3 महीने में. मेरे CEO का नंबर आपको अभी दूं मैं, उससे बात कर लो. Now what I am telling you is the power of subconscious mind. The power of your subconscious mind to guide you. जो मैंने intuition की बात किया ना, this is the intuition which Amitabh Bachchan also got when the world was telling him, sir, आप तो big screen के राजा हो, आप small screen पे क्यों जा रहे हो? पर उसको intuition आई कि नहीं, small screen में जाके उसका जिंदगी का हेर फेर होने वाला है. गया, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, and then rest is history. How many people? That's what I'm saying. Divine wants to give you. It will give you. But increase your reservoir. And increase your reservoir by practicing the right qualities in your everyday life. And do this empowerment of mind, meditation, your sixth sense develops. Even today, ऐसी मेरे पास एक कहानी नहीं है. मेरे कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ, मेरे एंटरप्रेन्योर लाइफ की कम से कम 50 किस्से होंगे. Which I say, divine protects you. Why? Because he wants to leverage on your abilities to spread goodness. There are lots of NGO work I'm doing. There's a lot of development work I'm doing. There's a lot of, which I want to tell you is maybe that is what the divine wanted me to do. So he protects me all the time. I see, I feel it. Everywhere, and every day, one thing I do and which I want you to do. Get up in the morning, express your gratitude. Before sleeping, express your gratitude. Because when divine is giving you, that's the minimum we should do. And when you express your gratitude, you become your recipient, your reservoir, the receiver becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. And the blessings it can accommodate. इसके लिए all those positive qualities that the soul likes, which builds your inner world, इनको seriously लेना. कि मैं कह रहा हूँ या विशाली मैडम कहती हैं या आपकी डायरेक्टर मैम कहती हैं या आप इतने सारे स्पिरिचुअल गुरुज को सुनते हो जिनको मैं भी सुनता हूँ. तो इसलिए मत उनको इम्बाइब करना क्योंकि वो लोग कह रहे हैं, इसलिए इम्बाइब करना क्योंकि ये तुम्हारा इनर वर्ल्ड बनाने वाला है. तुम्हारा जो सोल है, इट विल बी इन सिंक and it will be residing in a strong inner world, and your reservoir is going to become bigger and bigger, and your mind is going to become stronger and stronger. So choti moti turbulence of the outer world is not going to trouble you, but develop the good habits. Motivation के ऊपर मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ, right? Early morning, after your 10 minutes that you spend going to the alpha level programming your subconscious mind for the day, listen to some motivational messages. दादाजी के कितने messages हैं which I am so fond of. Vaishali ma'am can guide you. Your institute that you are part of, you are blessed to be here because this is the future. Your spiritual quotient is going to decide how much abundance you are going to make in life, abundance of health, wealth, and happiness. And therefore, I am sure that's why I told Vaishali, I want to come to the institute. I want to see how the ambience is. I'm visiting to experience the energy. Not that I have to come. How Vaishali ma'am? I want to experience the energy of the place. Because every place has energy. Every person has energy. And when we exchange our energies, we become better. So some people who touch your lives and make you in a way that you'll never be the same again. You'll become a much better person. So the part of this energy system that you are, I personally consider that you are one of the luckiest souls, provided you are mindful of this fact. Because your courses in marketing management, finance management, futures and options and market research and all that, they are only going to give you the basic techniques to drive a car, but they will not empower you. Or let's say drive the aeroplane. They will not empower you to drive the aeroplane during turbulent times. Those of you, and I think today all of you must have been in the air sometime. And when turbulence happens in the air, dil muh mein aa jata hai. And then you realize, Arey, what about the pilot? What about if the pilot is not capable to handle the situation? Kya hoga? Will I be in the newspaper tomorrow? So, आपको वैसा वाला पायलट बनना है who takes everyone in the newspaper? क्या ऐसा पायलट बनना है who lands the aircraft very safely? वो सब करना है. तो ये जो चीजें हम कर, और कोई बताएगा नहीं है तुमको. ये सब जो भी सक्सेसफुल लोग हैं ये करते हैं. मोदी जी जो है 4 घंटे सोते हैं. और ये जो टेक्निक श्रद्धा आपने करी लेक्चर के बाद, ये सोने से पहले अगर करोगे ना और रेगुलरली करोगे सोने से पहले,
Yes, I'll start doing it before sleep.
your number of hours that you need sleep will reduce over a period of time. But I can tell you, each one of you would have created 2 to 3 extra hours, which will differentiate you as a professional, because all the most critical resource every human being has is time. और वो टाइम कोई 12 घंटे सोता है और कोई 8 घंटे सोता है तो कोई 4 घंटे सोता है. जो कम सोता है और उतना ही फ्रेश फील करता है, उसके पास टाइम ज्यादा होता है और चीजें करने के लिए, उसकी लाइफ में फुलफिलमेंट भी ज्यादा होती है.
We can't hear you, sir. Shraddha?
Yes, ma'am. Even I'm not able to hear or see him.
Okay.
I think he's joining again.
Sir, are you there?
No, ma'am, he's not there. He just left the meeting, I think. He'll join back.
Okay.
You can just confirm if he's joining back. Maybe there's some network issues.
Yes. Just wait. I will call.
Yes, ma'am.
Girls, please wait. Actually, the call is not reachable. I'm trying to reach. Just wait.
Yes, ma'am, he's
Yes.
here in the meeting.
Sorry about. I
It's
think
okay, sir. No issues. No problem, sir.
my internet fellow came to service something down. So he just pulled out a plug without realizing what I was doing upstairs.
Okay, sir.
So anyway, we just have 5 minutes, 5 minutes more. So I hope that you realize that it's not just about knowing things, it is about doing things. Yeah? What we do will make us a different person. And there's a very beautiful book, Differentiate or Die. It's in marketing. I teach marketing, so I have lots of those books. So differentiate or die. This is how you differentiate in becoming a very empowered human being, which will always be sought after in the corporate world. And the real technology is make a strong mind. Now, coming back to the question of motivation, therefore, after you spend this 10 minutes of your practices in the morning or evening, do spend some time in reading motivational messages, videos, books. You must have a bedside reading and try to read what you want to become good at. Right? So there are lots of self-help books and they give you a lot of techniques. Before sleeping, read a good book, motivating book. After waking up, before you touch your phone, and if you want to touch your phone, go for some motivational, you become part of, subscribe to some motivational videos. And not long ones, 1-1 घंटे वाले नहीं, 3-3 मिनट वाले, 3-3 मिनट वाले, ज़्यादा नहीं. And I'll tell you, a lot of 3-minute videos are there on YouTube. Lots. And just pick up a subject that is of interest to you that day and look for a short video on that. Affirmations. Just spend 2 minutes doing affirmations when you are at alpha level. And you will be able to stay motivated at all times. Okay. So is there any other things that can you save the chat, Shraddha, of today? If there are any other, we handle 2. Motivation is also we handle. If there are any other subjects that we can handle in the next lecture. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Any questions? We have 3 minutes. Or any last questions? Anyone?
Sir, one day we will conduct one session on meditation, please, sir.
Next session we can do.
In this, there are more 12 sessions are remaining. So in that one session, we will conduct on meditation.
We will do that.
Please teach us.
We will do that. I am preparing. I'm right now formatting their hard disk so that they are motivated to learn those techniques. Why I shared my story of today.
Yeah, sir. Yes, yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay. Now that's a subjective world.
Yeah.
तो कहते ना, अगर पत्थर को तुम भगवान बोलते हो तो भगवान उसमें आ जाता है, नहीं तो वो पत्थर ही रहता है.
Right.
So it's the faith that makes you believe things, and when you do it with faith, वो एक faith component meditation में इनका मैं थोड़ा ला लेना चाहता हूँ. Maybe I'll use 2 more lectures for doing that.
Yes, sir.
And then we will do the meditation because I will also need those surroundings for myself. We will do post 29th, one or maybe two sessions we'll just dedicate to the meditation. Or I want to actually also share some information, some videos for them. I will send to you, Vaishali ma'am. Maybe that's on YouTube in public domain. So
yes, I was just going to tell you that you suggested us a few video, right? Like on a motivation 3 minutes video. So if there are any, you can just send us the link or something.
I will send you. I'll send you links of a lot of videos which I have liked. Okay.
Yes,
And we can create a lifelong group if you want. I have students on that, and I keep sharing with them a lot of 2-3 minutes things which make you think differently, which ignite your thoughts. Okay. So
yes, sure.
We can also plan for that. And I also have a website which I am now empowering and creating and improving, which is going to keep some devoted place for happiness. And you can also, some of these videos you can find there, not now, but I guess in 2 to 3 months from now. Yeah, because I'm building it.
Okay, so great.
Okay. So all the best. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Keep
Thank you, sir.
smiling and keep working well for yourselves and empower your minds. God bless.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.